Hello boys and girls, Random Josh here. Today I will be reading Fierce Kittens by Joyce Dunbar with pictures by Jakki Wood. Fat Mother Cat was asleep on her mat. Said her 4 little kittens,
"There's no fun in that!"
And off they went to run wild on the farm. Said the Marmalade Kitten, spiking his claws, "I am a terrible tiger. I will hunt the hen out of her hutch." And he tried to growl, but he didn't know how. He could only go... And the hen went... "I didn't know she could do that," said the Marmalade Kitten, and he jumped away. Said the Black Little Kitten, with a glint in her eye, "I am a panther on the prowl. I will frighten the pig out of his sty." And she tried to howl, but she didn't know how. She could only go... And the pig went... "I didn't know he could do that," said the Black Little Kitten, and she slinked away. Said the Tortoiseshell Kitten, pricking his ears, "I am a leaping leopard. I will chase the duck into her pond." And he tried to snarl, but he didn't know how. He could only go... And the duck went... "I didn't know she could do that," said the Tortoiseshell Kitten, and he leapt away. Said the Tabby Little Kitten, twitching her tail, "I am a dangerous lion. I will make the sheep run down the lane." And she tried to roar, but she didn't know how. She could only go... And the sheep went... "I didn't know they could do that," said the Tabby Little Kitten, and she sprang away. Said the 4 little kittens, ever so fierce,
"We are tigers, panthers, leopards, lions. We will scare the gaggle to geese."
And they tried to roar, to snarl, to growl, and they managed to go... But the geese went...
"We didn't know they could do that."
The 4 fierce kittens tumbled away. Then a puppy came over to play, and the puppy went... Then those 4 fierce kittens arched their backs. Their fur stood on end. They hissed, they spat. And that terrified puppy ran away, scat. Said those proud little kittens,
"We didn't know we could do that."
And they went back to their mother to sleep on the mat. The end. If you like this and other read-alongs, please like and subscribe. It really helps me out. Thanks, and have an awesome day.